Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase digit saving limits. So if you're looking to save more aggressively with digits, you can increase the maximum amount that it automatically transfers to your savings goals. Here's how to do it. So first, open the digit app on your smartphone, and then you're going to go to the savings goal tab and select the specific goal that you would like to adjust. Next, tap on the gear icon or settings, for that goal. And once it's opened up, you want to look for an option that's labeled savings limits or adjust saving behavior. Now, increase the limit to a higher amount that reflects your current saving capacity. Once you've done with that, save the changes, and from here on out, Digit will now have a higher threshold for exactly how much it can safely transfer to your goal. You can also adjust multiple goals individually if you want to boost savings across, several categories. A pro tip is to make sure that your linked bank account can support the increased savings, just to avoid overdraft or bank issues. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.